to another vlog. Today is Vlogmas day 7. Surprisingly, the days are going a lot faster than expected. But for today, I'm at home again today. I'm not going anywhere. It's in the evening time now, and I decided to make some lunch. And I said, you know what, I'm gonna start the vlog here with my lunch. So I have a bacon, lettuce, tomato, and sausage, like that's a sandwich here. And then I have some little chips right here that they just look like this. They're much rounder. They're round. Yeah, it's just like some little chips that I had left back from when I made like chips and dip. So from when I made like chips and dip, I have some of it left back, so I'm having it with my food. So for today, I'm not really doing too much. I've done a couple of stuff already from this morning. Yeah, so I've done a couple of stuff already, so I don't really have too much to do. I'm washing my comforters right now. One is finished, one is almost finished, and then what I'm gonna do after that is just clean off my fan. My fan is in desperate need of cleaning. I should have cleaned it off ages ago, but I just didn't get the chance. But I'm going to clean it off today. And yeah, I'm gonna show you guys when I'm cleaning it off. But I'm gonna clean off my fan, and then after cleaning off my fan, I want to also clean my makeup brushes. Not that I'm using them for anything right now, but I want to have them clean. Throw away the old ones that I'm not using, put in the new ones, then just wash and clean everything. And you know, just have it fresh, ready for when I'm ready to use it. Yeah, so outside of that, I'm not really doing anything else except for those two things. Mom is in there cooking. I think she's doing curry tripe and bean from the eye. Yeah. And what else? Oh, I have some work to do tonight, a final project to get started on tonight, but that's gonna be started in my own time later on. So I have that to do, and outside of that, that's really it. Don't have anything else much. These next couple of days I'm trying to have as minimal amount of stuff to do, because all of my time will be put into studying from Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So all of my time will be put into studying. So I'm doing as much as I can now to have as minimal work for another day. Yeah, so exam is Monday. Once exam is over on Monday, I'll be able to breathe a little breath of fresh air, because that's one of the biggest ones, and I just want to, you know, focus on that. So I'm going to eat now, and once I'm done eating, I'm probably going to clean my fan, you know, just to get it out of the way, because not telling a light now really don't know much food breeze. So I am going to clean it up after I'm done eating. Oh, also forgot, because I put it so far from me, I made some iced coffee. I don't drink iced coffee very or not as much as I used to. Okay guys, so I'm gonna pull this off. Oh, look it out. All right. Okay, I was looking for my head tie because okay, now we can pull it off. We're heading outside with these now. Alright guys, I'm outside, and because of how dirty they are, I have to clean it outside, so I'm gonna to duster here. So just get off the heavy dirt or heavy dust. To wash off everything now. I'm literally going to just wash off everything in the tub. Okay guys, I'm in the bathroom. I'm going to be washing my makeup brushes. Let me just pick up a few to show you, because there's a lot here. So these are some of my brushes, right? You can see they're dirty. Some of them have product in there until it has hardened, which isn't good, which is why I haven't used them, because I know they're really dirty. I have this little thing I used to like rub the brushes on to get the dirt out. So all I do is I stick it onto, if it would have stick right, yes. I stick it onto the surface of my I stick it onto the surface of my sink or something like that. I want to get the camera down here so you guys can see, but hopefully y'all can just work with me at this angle. So I stick it in my sink right here. Just use regular soap. Put a little soap on it. Make sure that to spread the soap all over. And then I simply just take a brush, swirl it in it, oh lord, and get out all the dirt. I wanted to show you guys how I do it. So this is what I do. Just rub it there to get all of it. You see, that's all product buildup, lord. I'm never letting my brushes get this dirty again. I just genuinely neglected them from the move coming over and everything. Never had a chance to clean them, but now I do, so I'm cleaning them off. Squeeze out the excess. There are probably better gadgets to use to clean it off, and I have to find something new, which is alright. I will. I'm gonna finish cleaning them up and come back to you guys. Okay guys, I'm back inside. I have washed all the brushes. Yeah, I have to put my fan back together first. So let's reassemble. Before we reassemble, I'm gonna just get a little wipe. Awesome. Have some wipes here. Just wipe off these little parts here. And wiping off the base of it too. Because the base picks up a lot of dust and stuff like that. So wiping that off. So one wipe is okay. It's not too dirty to cause a problem. Alright. I'll put assembly back. Blade, this will go there, so alright. Okay guys, so I'm just trying to put out all the brushes. Okay guys, so it is around, I think, about after 8 in the night now. Finish up everything, as you can see. I had also packed up my makeup brushes, but I didn't need to show you guys. Like, I just packed them back up in the bag that they were in after they were all dried and everything. I also packed up my comforters that I had put in the dryer to dry. I had packed those up as well, so now I don't have any more sheeting to wash, thank God. I am done with all my sheeting, sorry, with all my like sheet bedding. I'm done with all of that for the entire month. I've washed so much of them. I am done with that. So I am just doing some schoolwork at this moment. I have on my lights, as you can see. Yes, so I'm just doing some schoolwork at this moment. Shouldn't take me too long. I'm on the second part of the assignment now, so I'm finishing that up before I go to bed, or before, you know, yeah, before I go to bed and stuff. My brother came home and I got some food. I got Wendy's, yeah, and because I'm not really into the beef, I told him chicken, so it's just like a little regular chicken sandwich. That's really it. I was going to make dinner because I knew that mom was doing tripe bean, or curry tripe bean. I was going to make dinner, but when I go in there for go look at me, I look for it, never did there. Hearing that it is finished, I was going in there to look chicken because I was gonna cook something with the chicken when she was done, but there's no chicken here and I didn't know that, so I had to ask him to carry something for me if he could. And I got that for dinner, so that will work. I had a little something before anyways, so I'm alright. I'm not really the tribe person, but it's about it. You not catch me eat the tribe. You can't be forced it down. You can't be forced it down for me eat it. I'm not eating any tribe. I think that's the one thing I am completely outside of the fact of not eating ackee. Tribe is the next thing you not catch me I eat. Me not eat it. Me not eat it. No matter how much people say, oh, it tastes good. Me not eat it. Me not eating it. No. Anyways, so I'm finishing up my work now. Thank you guys for watching this vlog. This one's a little bit on the shorter end, but that's okay. You know, I didn't really have much doing today, so I just took you guys as to what I was really doing this evening. I really didn't have much doing, honestly. So, because most of my morning was taken up editing, and then the rest of the evening I just took and did the last of the things that I wanted to do. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed Vlogmas Day 7. And remember to like, subscribe, share, continue to, you know, support, comment down below. You know, like what kind of Christmas things do you guys have planned? Do you have any plans for Christmas, like any parties, any hosting? Are you going to anybody's Christmas dinner, anything like that, you know? So comment down below, you know, if you have like any Christmas traditions or festivities that you do and whatever like that. And thank you guys for your love and support as always. I see all your comments and I thank you so much for them. They're very encouraging and they help me to push forward into continuing to do the Vlogmas. So I'll see you guys in Vlogmas Day 8.